Hello, I'm Nicolas Almagro. I'm from Spain, and I turned pro in 2003. I'm very happy with my backhand down the line. I'm very happy with my serve, with my forehand, with my backhand. But I don't know if you are to someone else is the same or not. The final is a different match for sure. The final is the final. All the players want to win the final, and I'm very happy with my tennis when I was in the final, because I won more than lost. I'm very happy for that, but I think you try to do your best. It's the most important match of the week, and you try to play your best tennis. You are one of the person that the kids is watching you on the TV to learn, and you need to be a gentleman on court. It's sometimes a little bit difficult, but you try to do your best, and just the kids is watching you, and they need to decide who is the most important player to watch and to take something of him.